Next is the boundaries of inguinal canal. So I have taken the class on inguinal rings last time. So now I am going to take the boundaries of this inguinal canal. So anterior wall is formed of skin, superficial fascia, external oblique aponeurosis and internal oblique muscle. Okay, so skin, superficial fascia, external oblique and internal oblique muscles and its aponeurosis. Now the posterior wall is formed from fascia transversalis, below upwards. So from below to the upwards, it is fascia transversalis, conjoint tendon, and then the reflected part of the inguinal ligament. Fascia transversalis, conjoint tendon, and the reflected part of the inguinal ligament. And then the roof is formed by conjoint tendon, and the floor is formed by inguinal ligament and lacrimal ligament. Okay, this you need to write the boundaries, and these are the diagrams which you need to draw, which I have not drawn properly, but you need to remember and at least draw one of them. Okay, then comes the spermatic cord, which is one of the most important content of inguinal canal. Because of this is descends down and then develops into testis and all. Okay, so it contains ductus deferens. So spermatic cord, the coverings of the spermatic cord. Now there is external spermatic fascia, there is cremasteric fascia, and there is internal spermatic fascia. Okay, external, in cremasteric and internal, and then there is ductus deferens. Surrounding this is the pampiniform plexus around the ductus deferens, and then there is genital branch of genitofemoral nerve. There is processus vaginalis, which is the remnant. Then sympathetic plexus nerves is there, testicular artery is there, and then there is pampiniform plexus around testicular artery, and then cremasteric vessels is there near the cremasteric fascia, and ilioinguinal nerve is present outside the external spermatic fascia. So even though it enters through the inguinal canal, it is present outside the spermatic cord. Okay, you need to remember that. A spermatic cord, it is collection of structures that pass to and fro from the testis through the inguinal canal. Yes, but there is an exception, that is ilioinguinal nerve, which passes outside but also passes through the inguinal canal. Okay, but it passes outside. Structures: ductus deferens, 3 arteries, veins, lymphatics, cremasteric artery, testicular artery, and then there is one more artery. Okay, and then lymphatics, para and pre-aortic lymph nodes, nerves and genital branch of genitofemoral nerve, and remains of processus vaginalis. Now the coverings are internal spermatic fascia, cremasteric fascia, and the external spermatic fascia. Okay, now the internal spermatic fascia from the fascia transversalis. Cremasteric fascia is from the internal oblique aponeurosis, and the external spermatic fascia is from the external oblique muscles. Okay, thank you.